Food and pastries.
You'll use every one of these in a real cafe. Slow first, fast at the end.
What pastries do you have today? What pastries do you have today?
We've got croissants, muffins, and banana bread. We've got croissants, muffins, and banana bread.
Are the croissants fresh? Are the croissants fresh?
Yes, they came out this morning. Yes, they came out this morning.
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
The almond croissant is really popular. The almond croissant is really popular.
Sounds good. I'll try one. Sounds good. I'll try one.
Great choice. Great choice.
Could you heat it up for me? Could you heat it up for me?
Sure. Warm or toasted? Sure. Warm or toasted?
Warmed up is fine. Warmed up is fine.
I'll pop it in the oven. I'll pop it in the oven. Would you like anything to eat with that? Would you like anything to eat with that?
Do you have any sandwiches? Do you have any sandwiches?
We do. There's a turkey and a veggie one. We do. There's a turkey and a veggie one.
I'll take the veggie one. I'll take the veggie one. Can we get 2 forks? Can we get 2 forks?
Of course. Are you sharing? Of course. Are you sharing?
Yeah, we'll split it. Yeah, we'll split it.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Anything else for you? Anything else for you?
That'll be all, thanks. That'll be all, thanks.
I'll have it right out. I'll have it right out.
Perfect. Perfect. What pastries do you have today? Are the croissants fresh? What do you recommend? Sounds good. I'll try one. Could you heat it up for me? Warm or toasted? Do you have any sandwiches? I'll take the veggie one. Can we get 2 forks? We'll split it. That'll be all, thanks. I'll have it right out.